and we're gonna call it Grisso.
Yeah.
This is how it feels to be disheartened.
Crash course
When you
in
don't
Smash.
know
There we
how
go.
to play the game.
Yeah, let's go.
Welcome to tournaments.
Crash course in Smash.
Your ass is grass all the time. Also, hey, dude.
Hey, there's somebody. Come on in the front door. But still, we're doing Lethal League side event right now. It's awesome. All right, we have another player coming in.
I can't believe you. I cannot believe you. You knew this entire time I was not even entering the whole thing.
I thought maybe something had changed.
No.
I was clearly wrong. You guys are good. Yeah, they're fine. I can edit all this stuff while they're getting started. Not even a challenge. That was super silly. But you know what? That's good. It's a good set overall. Okay, that's
good
gotta
set.
go.
Yeah, 10 stocks to 1. How about that?
I mean, you played really hard, and I appreciate it.
I didn't even know how to play.
All right. Okay. Me messing with you aside. We've got a match. We got Just Garret and his Latch versus Deor and his Doombox. Deor box, as it were.
So it's Hungry Gators versus Dr. Doombox.
Yep. Which, fun fact, not really useful. 2 fun facts. 1, apparently that's Latch's sub. Back there. And
yeah, it's understandable.
And 2, Latch is apparently a cyborg. Not that this matters, but we have a bot versus bot battle.
We have a bot versus Android battle.
I mean, heck, you've seen Rumble Robots, right?
I've seen Rumble Roses.
I mean, there's that. Oh, he punishes the parry with a grab.
But this is not what I meant by battle bots.
That's true. That's very true. All right, this is already moved. I love how this game, like, once things really get started moving, they go fast.
Fast, because these games are quick.
They are. Once again, we're going to see Doombox's signature ability to literally fly.
No, he hit it in the bottom of the box.
Yep.
Right in the knob.
Missed.
And chuck him.
Mistimed it. There's a good throw. Let's go. I will settle for anything from Doombox for a finisher. Like the best taunt in all video games. Oh no, there's the full wake up. We got to see the best taunt in all video games for a second though.
And he chucks
There's
it.
another throw. Very solid, very solid. All right, Doombox down by 3 actually. He's been having some troubles with that big old body of his. And most notably, Doombox is one of the only characters with a Roy zone.
Doombox has a Roy zone?
He does. His big old fist, once you get past just short of the shoulder, no more hitbox. Most characters have one all the way back. Frick. I think it's like Raptor, Candyman, and a couple others have one that almost reaches to their back. Like, it's like a couple pixels short.
Oh, he had the mix-up with the bite.
Ooh.
Beautifully
Bite
done.
button
Chuck
mix
the
up.
body. Oh,
It's
hit
gone.
the body
Let's
away.
go. All right, that's a quick game 1 from Just Garret. Played that out really well.
Good lord.
Rough, fast, hard fight.
Random select back to stage. What do we got?
Okay, the skyscraper.
We've got the Psylocke inspiration stage.
Oh yeah.
For those of you that haven't played Children of the Atom, her stage is literally an elevator.
That's cool. The beginning of a stage in Skullgirls is also an elevator.
There you go.
Very big elevator now that I'm actually thinking about it. It's pretty wild. Starts the parry. Doesn't actually matter. Just manages to get the mistimed. Yeah, there's the throw. Let's go.
This is beautiful. Not unlike my controller at the moment.
Yo, dude, your controller is a battle scarred. That's an amazing skin in Counter-Strike, I'll bet. Oh, another one. Not quite ready for that angle, I guess.
Hit him away.
All right. The only thing we haven't seen in this tournament yet is a good game screen ending pose, which I always love to see. Oh, another bite in the bunt.
Oh, right in the back of the dome.
Yep.
Right on the nozzle.
There's the grab. Sets it up. This man could do some
Good
smash
lord,
combos
that
on
man was
spaces.
doing a whole bunch of damage to that ball.
Lots of juggles. All right, we're getting to see some good stuff from Latch. Oh, goes for the grab. Garrett's been doing a lot of parries. I understand why he's coming from that. Ooh, very solid.
Right into the face. Goodbye, corpse.
Secret Doombox matchup knowledge. Whenever most characters use their specials and they stop right in front of them, you can just contest them. Doombox. In fact, the only exception.
Why did you not unfly there, dude?
2 fun facts then. The fun fact is about that being that whenever you start an attack, you can't stop flying. You still have full control, but you have to fly for the whole animation.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's a really strange nuance.
Latch accidentally taking one to the beak. Oh, he
takes the
retaliates by hitting one in the knob. Chucks him.
Goodness.
Two
All
stocks
right.
to 2, but flashing life bar.
See some big moves from Doombox. We're looking for the big stuff.
We're in the scramble situation in the corner, but here comes Doom.
Oh, goes for a hard grab.
Right on the foot. Chuck.
Yeah,
Oh.
gone. There was a
Gone.
good corpse
Down
juggle,
the elevator
but it
shaft
just did
with
not
you.
pan out. Corpse juggle super hard with Doombox, but super cool. There's a get up attack. Just no fear. He's gonna swing. Immediate bunt.
Oh, Lord, he actually mixed him up.
Ooh, Latch with another
Oh.
good mix-up. That's hard to deal with. There's the get up attack.
Wah.
Oh, it's free real estate.
What a
Let's
bunt!
Go. Ooh, looking for
Chucks
big numbers.
it. Line drive.
Another
Oh!
bunt mix-up.
What a save.
Oh,
he threw it at
parried
him.
it. No! He goes for the grab. That was sick by Latch, and we are
And
out
Chucks
of
him
here.
again after the ball. You
All
are
right,
insane.
Just Garret is making a comeback here.
He wants this set.
He does. The match versus Father Up Smash was so close. He has learned much. He has downloaded the whole
Oh,
tournament.
no, he's flashing. This is going to be
this
close.
This
Nice
is lethal
bunt.
damage. Lethal across
Hit
the
him.
board.
We're going to
Oh,
chuck
there's
it at
another
him.
parry. Oh, it reduces the damage to the throw. Oh, there's the down angle straight line. That's it.
That's it. 2.
Oh my goodness. Well done, Just Garret. That was solid.
Nicely done.
All right, we have seen another wicked solid game. Both players never fast enough to catch them walking away.
Lord. That,
All right, congratulations to Deor and Just Garret.
That was insane.
Once again, we're gonna switch to commentary cam. I am not Father Up Smash,
and
he
I am
is
not, and I'm not the winner of the, sadly, the loser of the match. There we go.
Food facts. I forgot my name.
How did you forget your own tag?
I forget many things. You know, so it's just
You're
what
not
happens.
wrong.